how to use the page break option and some more tips. Please watch my complete video and subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. And let's start the work. You need to go to layout button, then there is a button of break. So there are a number of options. First one is page break, and let's see how you can use this option. Let's say for example you want to start the next page from here and you want only this paragraph on page number 1. So I will do what? I will do mark the point at which one page ends and the next page begins. So I will click on it, and there you can see this is my first page, only one paragraph is there, and this is my second page. So no one can write here, you can only write on this paragraph. From this point forward there is no typing available. So that's how you use the option of page break. Let's go to page number 2. I want to convert this paragraph into 2 columns. So I will go to column, select 2. When I convert this into 2 different columns, my complete document is converted. So I does not want to convert my complete document into 2 columns. So I click here, go to break and continuous break. So this. Similarly, I came to this point, go to break and then continuous break. Now I will convert this paragraph into 2 columns. You see only this paragraph is converted into 2 columns. I want to divide my text into columns. From this point forward, I want my text to be in this column. If I press enter, you see it's not going into second column. So I will do what? I will use the option of break. I will go here, click on break, select the column. When I select the column, this text has come into second column. So that's how a column break is used. You can use the column breaks to forward text into your next column. Let's come back to page number 1. I want this page to have a border, but it should be on this page only. So border and shading, select this option, and if you click, it will be on all pages. I does not want my complete page to have the border. I just want to put a border on my first page. I will undo it. I will go to again layout, break, and I will insert next page break. I will go to border and shading. So go to page border, select box and this section. So you see the break option has given me an advantage. So I want a different border on my second and third page. Similarly, go to border and shading, go to page border, select the box. I will change it. You can see this page has different border and this page has a different border. Let's have some more tips. If you want to put a table here, first you need to go to insert and you can draw a table. So after drawing a table, you need to adjust the space just like this. So you can avoid this. How? You press a plus sign, then press is equals. Let's say you want here second column, then press again a plus sign, then again equal. So then press, similarly go on. After pressing the plus, you need to press a enter button. When you press the enter button, you can see how you can insert a table manually. So there is an option of calculator also is there, how you can calculate value. Let's say I have different values, 65 plus 48. So how can I calculate? So in MS Word 2016 you can calculate this value. How? You right click on here, customize, then you need to select the option of all commands, then you need to find the calculator option. So I will go to C. Yes, here is the option of calculate. I will click on add and press OK. Now a round icon is appeared and I need to do, I will select this, click here, and at the bottom of this page you can see the result of calculator is 113. Let's see again. You click here and the value will appear here. So you can write just 133. Okay, let's have some bigger value. Let's say 65 into 3 plus 5 minus 9 plus 78. So again you select the value, click here, the result of the calculator is 269. Let's do it on calculator. Open. 65 into 3 plus 5 minus 9 plus 78 is equal to 269. Let's see again. Click here and 269. So this is how you can use a calculator in MS Office. You can add, remove even tabs. How you can add or remove tabs, I will show you. Again go to file, options. When you click on option, go to customize rainbow. So just click on new tab. Let's say I will give the name of the tab, I can rename it shortcuts. Okay, so the name is there, shortcut. Now how to add the buttons? You click here. Let's say I want to add a copy button, add. I want to cut button, add, and just need to click on OK. When I click OK, you can see there is a shortcut button here. So I can cut it and paste it. So that's how you create a tab. So similarly you can remove it. Again go to options, customize rainbow. So you can select this and you simply remove. Okay, now your shortcut is removed from here. So that's all from today. Do like my video, subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.